How to remove a link to a site in Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have added links to your bio on Instagram, here is what should be done to remove it. First and foremost, start by updating the app to the latest version. In order to do so, head over to Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram and tap on update if available. Then after, launch the application and log in into your account. Tap on your profile from the bottom right and then tap on Edit Profile button. Tapping on it, you will see a section called Links. Tap on it and it will have all the links of the sites you have added on Instagram. Tap on the link that you want to remove and you will get two options. Either you can edit the URL and the title or remove the link. Tap on Remove Link button and then confirm by tapping on Remove. You can do the same for all other links you have added to your bio and you should be good to go. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.